Okay, subtracting decimals. If you've got a problem such as okay, I'm going to start over here in my thousandths column. Again, we've got everything laid out nice and neat. One number under each decimal point under each one. In fact, I can actually keep my decimal point right here because it's not going to move. Okay, so first one, nice and easy. 8 take away 0, which is 8. Next one, we've got 0 minus 6. Okay, we can't do that because the top number is smaller than the number below. Okay, so we're going to borrow from the next column. Okay, so we're going to borrow from our tenths column. That 3 is going to become 2, and that 1 that I'm taking is going to come over here. So it'll be 10 take away 6, which is 4. Okay, moving on to our next column, we've got 2 minus 3 now. Okay, so again, this is a bit more tricky. So we're going to have to borrow from our ones column. That 3 is going to become a 2, and that 1 that we are borrowing is going to come over here. And it's going to become 12 minus 3, which is 9. Moving on to our next, in our ones column, again we've got 2 take away 3 one more time. Okay, so we're going to try and borrow from our next column and the tens column, but there's none there. Okay, so we're going to borrow again from a hundreds column. So that 6 is going to become a 5. That 1 that we're borrowing, that 0 is now going to become 10. But we're still wanting to put an answer into this column. So we're going to borrow again from that 10. That 10 is going to become 9. And now we've got 12 take away 3, which is 9. And now we've got 9 take away 3, which is 6. And 5 take away 2, which is 3. And our answer is 369.948. We're going to start in our hundredths column. 7 take away 9 we cannot do. We're going to borrow. Can't get any from here, so we're going to borrow again. We're going to borrow from our 9 ones. That's going to become 8. That 1 that we're taking is going to make that 0, 10. We're taking 1 from there, so that 10 is becoming 9. And that 1 that we're borrowing comes in here, and it's 17 minus 9, which is 8. Okay, we've got 9 take away 0, which is 9. Again, our decimal point is staying exactly where it should be. 8 take away 2, which is 6. And 8 take away 4, which is 4. Our answer being 46.98. There we go, I hope that helps. Any questions, please email me or ask your teacher.